This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use floor division in Python. We'll explore its unique behavior, especially when dealing with different types of numbers. Floor division is a powerful tool for specific calculations, ensuring your results are always integers. We will cover its operator, how it works with positive numbers, and its distinct behavior with negative numbers. By the end, you'll understand when and why to use it effectively. Let's start with positive numbers. When you floor divide 10 by 3, the result is 3. Standard division would give you 3.333, but floor division discards the decimal, giving you only the whole number. Another example, 7 floor divided by 2 results in 3. It always rounds down to the nearest integer, ensuring a clean, whole number output for your calculations. Now, let's tackle negative numbers, which can be a bit tricky. When you floor divide -10 by 3, the result is -4. This is because it always rounds down to the nearest whole number, moving further away from 0 on the number line. Similarly, -7 floor divided by 2 gives -4. Understanding this rounding behavior is key to correctly using floor division in all scenarios. Floor division is incredibly useful for scenarios requiring whole number results, such as calculating how many full pages of content you have, or distributing items into equal groups. Remember, it always rounds down to the nearest integer. This ensures predictable, integer-based outcomes, which is vital in many programming contexts. Keep practicing with different numbers to master this essential Python operator and enhance your coding skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.